everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Akshita and you are watching Akshita's Recipes. The theme of my channel is to keep it simple, quick, yet delicious. So like all my other recipes, today's recipe too is going to be very simple to make, few ingredients, and the end result is going to be really delicious where you're going to want to make it again and again. So let's get started with today's recipe. So let's start with today's recipe, which is the Batata Bhaji recipe for Masala Dosa. Now here I've taken about 2 large boiled potatoes, which I've just diced up. Then I have 1 medium-sized onion, which I've sliced, a few kismis, a few kaju, some curry leaves, some haldi powder, some mustard seeds, some jeera or cumin seeds, some hing or asafotedia. Now here I have about 1.5 tablespoon of oil heating up in a pan. I've also taken some green chillies and some grated ginger. Now first, when the oil gets hot, I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of my mustard seeds. Once they begin to splutter, we're going to add the green chilies and fry the green chilies well. Then goes in my cumin seeds or jeera seeds, followed by hing or asafoetida, some haldi powder, half a teaspoon, then a few curry leaves. Now I'm going to leave the exact measurements of all the ingredients in my description box below. Then I've added my grated ginger, about half an inch. Then goes in my sliced onion. Now I've already uploaded a recipe for how to make dosas. I will leave a link for that below, but you can watch the video till the end because I have kept a recipe on how to prepare the dosa batter. Now I'm going to add my cashew nuts and my kismis. We're going to give everything a nice fry. Now you can also make this bhaji in some coconut oil. It really tastes amazing with coconut oil too. And now I'm just going to add my potatoes. Now for boiling my potatoes, what I do is I first wash the potatoes well. Then I put them into my pressure pan with some water in it. And then I cook it for 1 whistle on high, and then I simmer it for about 10 minutes. And then once the cooker cools, I take off the potatoes, let them come to room temperature, and then I refrigerate them. And then it's much easier to work with, and you can dice them also very easily. So one tip, never work with very hot potatoes because first of all, it's very difficult to handle them. And secondly, they don't really form into proper cubes like you've seen in this. I've cut them into proper cubes because they are nice and cold. So even if you keep them in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes or so, they're much easier to work with and you get exact cubes. Now I'm just going to add about a 1/4 cup of water. Now this is a very different type of batata bhaji from the normal batata bhaji that we make. So I'll leave a link for my regular batata bhaji, which is a total different recipe. And I also have one more recipe which is very different, which is made during upvas. That is, there's no ginger or anything added to it. It's a very lovely recipe. I'll leave a link for that below. So now I've just seasoned my vegetable with some salt to taste and a pinch of sugar too. I'm going to give everything a mix. Now you can have this patata bhaji with chapatis or puris too, but it goes best with dosa. Now I'm going to cover and cook it for about 5 minutes, and there our bhaji is all ready. So friends, I hope you enjoyed watching today's recipe. I hope you're going to give today's recipe a try. share my recipes with family and friends. Go and visit my channel. I have more than 500 recipes as of today. So go try them out, share them with family and friends, and let me know also in the comment section below how you like the recipe. Also, don't forget to give this recipe a big thumbs up by clicking the thumbs up icon that you see below this video. If you haven't joined Akshada's recipes yet, click the subscribe button that you see below this video and become a part of Akshada's recipes. And once you have subscribed, there's a little bell icon that will pop up. Just click it. That way, whenever I put up a new video, a recipe, vlog, or I'm just online waiting to chat with you, you'll get a message for the same. So friends, thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshada saying bye. Take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be loving and kind to one